Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Actually, you have not killed the Yaksas, nor have they killed your brother, for the ultimate cause of generation and annihilation is the eternal time feature of the Supreme Lord. When the Master of the Treasury addressed him as sinless, Dhruv Maharaj, considering himself responsible for killing so many Yaksas, might have thought himself otherwise. Kuver, however, assured him that factually he had not killed any of the Yaksas, therefore he was not at all sinful. He did his duty as a king, as it is ordered by the laws of nature. Nor should you think that your brother was killed by the Yakshas, said Kuver. He died or was killed in due course of time by the laws of nature. Eternal time, one of the features of the Lord, is ultimately responsible for annihilation and generation. You are not responsible for such actions.